guys? Another almost beautiful day here in Portland area. A little overcast, but no rain. We're gonna go do like a cars and coffee thing. Just brewing some up right now, and take the Camaros out, cruise them a little bit. In case anybody was wondering, I do still have my '64 Plymouth Valiant with the twin turbo motor in it. That car is actually at my new house in another state, so I'll be moving there probably this winter, and probably pull that car apart and do big single turbo, which is what I was planning to do last winter, but got a couple other projects in the way and just kind of couldn't make it all happen. So yeah, I'm also gonna go, the plan is go finally mount my 35s up on the new wheels for the Jeep and get those put on, make sure they don't rub or anything, because I just put like a 1-inch leveling spacer on the front, and I've been told with the flat fenders that 35s look clear, so I guess we'll find out the hard way. And yeah, that's about it. So try to get a video of that later.
Okay, we have 868.
I have my friend.
885. Anybody going once? Going twice? 885. Going 3 times. And so we're not hat and Tristan have 9.
All that chrome and that big old wang.
851. 907 going 3 times. Hey.
Man, this thing is a beast. Gnarly.
2001.
Love it. My Camaro had an issue. The alternator bolt snapped off on the way here. Oh, pretty sweet. So, but the alternator was still chilling and the belt was still on it, amazingly. So I'm gonna have to try and just get the bottom bolt to go through and hold it on the way home. My top bolt right there.
Check. 850.
Yeah, wish me luck. Here we go. Bringing this car back to its old home. Show the boy what we did with her. How's it running? Amazing. How come the speeder don't work? Trying to keep
Work in progress.
Trying to keep the miles off her. Got to keep your eyes on the road. We don't want to wreck it back in front of the old house. There's a dumpster right where we need to take a picture. What a bummer. There's the barn she came out of.
alcohol.